time with the dope rhyme that I kick. You know and I know I feel some more funky shit. To add to my collection, the selection symbolizes dope. Take a toke but don't choke. If you do, you have no clue of what me and my homie Snoop Dogg came to do. It's like this and like that and like this and it's like that and like this and like that and it's like this. And we ain't got no love for those.
So just chill till the next episode. Falling back on that ass, what a hellified gangster lean. Getting funky on the mic like an old batch of collard greens. It's the capital S-O-S suppression, double O-P, D-O-double-G-Y, D-O-double-G, you see. Showing much flex when it's time to wreck a mic. Pimping hoes and clacking a grip like my name was Dolomite. Yeah, and it don't quit. I think they in the mood for another one of those G-hits. So Dre,
what up, dog?
we gotta give them what they want.
What's that, Jay?
We gotta break them off something.
Hell yeah.
And it's gotta be bumpin', city of Compton.
It's where it takes place, so it nash your attention. Mobbing with the dog pound.
Wow, wow, wow.
Dropping the funky tracks is making the suckers just mumble. When I'm on the mic, it's like a cookie, they all crumble. Try to get close and you're bound to get smacked. My little homie Snoop Doggy Dogg has got my back. Never let me slip, cause if I slip, then I'm slipping. But if I got my Nina, then you know I'm straight tripping. And I'ma continue to put the rap down, put the Mac down. And if your woman wanna trip, I have to put the smack down. Yeah, and you don't stop. I told you I'm just like a clock when I tick and I talk. But I'm never off, always on till the break of dawn. See you when BTON in the city they call Long Beach. Putting it straight together like my homie DOC. No one can do it better like this, that, and this, and it's like that, and like this, and like that, and it's like this. And we ain't got no love for those.
So just chill till the next episode.